In this video, I'm going to be showing you how easily reply to Instagram messages. Be sure to watch this video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, open Instagram app and tap on the icon at the top right, then go to your conversation list. After that, enter conversation. Now, let me show you two different ways to reply to a message. The first way is long press on a message you want to reply to. It can be any type of message, text, photo, or audio. Just long press, tap add reply. Enter your text and hit send. Another way to reply is swipe to right on message. This is immediately activates reply feature. Enter your message and hit send. That's how easily reply to Instagram messages. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.